You're watching the Urban Debate on Mirror Now. I'm Faye D'Souza. Thank you for tuning in. Viewers, as a journalist tonight, I bring you a horrific, horrible, blood-curdling story about a young woman who was raped and mutilated. As a woman who lives in this country tonight, I come to you hurt, heartbroken, and let down one more time by this country, the law and order, and the government. Let me take you through this story. There was a young woman who lived in Rohtak, in Sonipat. There was a man who was chasing after her, insisting she marry him. About a week or so ago, when she refused him, he slapped her and she ran home crying. Her parents then complained to the local police, who took no heed of that complaint and sent them home. A week later, the young girl went missing when she left her home. Her father tells us that she wanted to build her family a house before she got married and started her own life. She said, "You work a little, I work a little, we'll put some money together." Her parents went to the police station the night she was missing. They refused to file a complaint. They went back the day after. They refused to file a complaint. The complaint was only registered, the FIR was only registered 2 days later. On the 13th of May, her body was discovered. The autopsy was horrific. Not only was she gang raped, sharp instruments were inserted into her. Parts of her internal organs are missing. Her head was smashed in with a brick repeatedly until she was dead. And then whoever did this to her ran over her face with her vehicle repeatedly until she was unrecognizable. They then dumped her in an empty plot where stray dogs ate parts of her body. I apologize again, viewers, for bringing you this horrible story, but there is a reason why I'm giving you the details. Because you must know that this is the country we live in. You must know that this is an hour outside of Delhi. You must know that this is the country you're raising your daughters in. When you leave your home every day, you don't know for sure whether you or your loved ones or your little girls are coming home in one piece. Because the police are not taking cognizance. Because the police don't care. Because the Chief Minister of Haryana doesn't care. Because we live in a system where we constantly say, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. What betis are we talking about? How much longer are we going to have to stand here like this and have these conversations? Helpless members of a society that doesn't care. When will the government do something? When will our Prime Minister make a statement that actually means something to the women who are struggling every day? We demand tonight on this channel that the police officer who turned away these parents not only be sacked, but be arrested for breaking the law. We demand that Manohar Lal Khattar, the Chief Minister of Haryana, who is also the Home Minister of Haryana, resign. And I will read out to you, viewers, that for the last year, the kind of rapes that have taken place in Haryana are a display of the inadequacies of the law and order situation and the government led by Mr. Khattar himself. Enough is enough. We cannot afford another Nirbhaya. We cannot afford another daughter. We cannot afford to sit around while the government thinks that it is taking stock. This is not good enough. It just won't do. Where is our outrage tonight? Why don't we care? I want for the police officer to be sacked. We demand that resignation. Joining me on the show this evening, and our phone lines are open for all of our viewers, Vikram Singh, former DGP of Uttar Pradesh, Aishwarya Bhati, senior advocate in the Supreme Court, Raman Malik, spokesperson of the BJP in Haryana, Nikita Anand, former Miss India and actor who brings in the voice of the Indian woman, Sunitha Godara is a social activist, Anuja Kapoor is a lawyer and a criminal psychologist, Yogita Bayana, a social activist who works very closely in Haryana on the issues of women's rights and safety, the victim's father himself, who has joined us on the show, Swapnil Kothari, is a senior lawyer in Mumbai. I welcome all of you. to this conversation. I want to start with the victim's father, जो लड़की के पिताजी है, जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं अभी. आप बताइए, जब आप लोग पहले बार पुलिस के पास गए थे कि आपकी बच्ची घर वापस नहीं आई, तो पुलिस ने आपसे क्या बताया, क्या बोला?
मैम, जैसे हम पुलिस वालों के पास गए थे एक दिन, जैसे 9 तारीख को यहाँ से बच्ची गई थी हमारी, तो वहाँ से रोहतक ले गए उठाकर. वहाँ उसके साथ रेप किया और रेप करने के बाद उसको मार डाला जी. ईंट पत्थरों से उसका सर कुचल दिया. बिल्कुल हड्डियाँ, छोटी छोटी हड्डियाँ उसकी सिर की बना रखी थी. शरीर में तार घसो रखे थे और मुंह में तार लगा रखे थे. तो अगले दिन हमने पूरी रात उसको ढूंढा. तो हमने सोचा कि भी चलो कल देख लेंगे दिन में. तो अगले दिन हमने जाके पुलिस में उसकी रिपोर्ट दर्ज कराई थी. तो वहाँ पे रिपोर्ट दर्ज कराने से पहले उन्हें हमारी रिपोर्ट दे रखी थी जी कि हमारा लड़का गायब हो गया और हमारे पे इन पर शक है. तो हमें जब पता चला था कि हमारी बच्ची इसी के लड़के ने उठा रखी है, तो हमने तब हमारी रिपोर्ट दर्ज हुई थी जी. तो हमारे को 12 तारीख को हमारे को पता लगा था कि हमारी लड़की की डेथ हो गई है. तो हमें रोहतक मेडिकल में जाकर अपनी बच्ची का वो डेड बॉडी की शनाख्त की और हमारी ही लड़की थी वो. तो अखबार के थ्रू पता लगा था, हमारे को वैसे पता नहीं लगा था जी.
आप मुझे ये बताइए कि आपको लगता है कि अगर पुलिस ने वक्त पे एक्शन लिया था तो शायद आपकी बच्ची की जान बच गई होती आज? अगर मेरी आवाज़ आप तक आ रही है सर, आप मुझे बताइए कि अगर पुलिस ने, ओके, we've lost that connection, we're going to come back to him. Vikram Singh, the failure of the police is the failure of the entire law and order system, Vikram Singh. One more time, and this time fatally, we've lost a child.
There is hardly anything that any one of us can say by way of repartee, or anybody in Haryana police can give an excuse for failing one of our daughters yet once again. 9th, the child goes missing. Till the 12th, nothing happens. You very rightly questioned, Faye, that in these 72 hours, these 3 days, if the police had been proactive, could this death and gang rape been prevented? I say yes with a capital Y. But yet again, look at the complicity of the whole episode, that somebody had given an application in advance that their son is missing and they were suspecting the girl's father in that. Look how insidious and how deep-rooted the criminality there is in the family members of the gang rapists, that they program everything well in advance and then they perpetrate this crime. You very rightly said that the police officer who did not register the case and who, I would dare say, guided them to give this application in advance, it is only a corrupt police officer who can do a thing like that. He should be dismissed from service. I would have first said that a case should be registered in 166A of the IPC for failing to register a case when he should have registered. But the case of complicity is so clear that I don't think, in the interest of natural justice and in public interest, this man should be dismissed from service. Widening the provisions of Article 311 of the Constitution of India. That is the least that the Haryana government and the DGP can do. They have arrested 2 accused, I am told, but the others are still at large. They need to get after them, especially the one who claims to be the relation of a police officer.
Let me also point out. Let me point out a few things. Let me point out a few things. Swapnil Kothari joins me as well, and there have been differences, and it's on our screen, between the police version since Saturday when this story came out and the autopsy report. The autopsy report very clearly, the doctor spoke to reporters and said the victim was gang raped by at least 7 people. The victim was drugged, abducted, and then gang raped. The victim was her skull was smashed in and she was mowed down by a vehicle. The police insisted over the last 3 days that the victim was killed in an animal attack. The police insisted that there were only 2 men involved in this case. The police insisted that the victim was picked up by a man identified as a stalker. So the police was underplaying this case the entire time. Swapnil Kothari, this goes a lot deeper.
Yes.
then what it seems, the police are obviously complicit.
Absolutely, this cannot happen. This sort of lackadaisical attitude and extreme apathy cannot happen without any complicity of the police. The reason why they took only 2 people into custody, I believe, and took cognizance of these 2 people is only because I think one of the others was related to the police in some form or the other, so they wanted to let him go off. The other aspect that DGP Vikram Singh pointed out, I would like to add to that, apart from dismissal of service under 311 of the Constitution and 166A, for dereliction of duty, I think I would make him an abettor to the crime. I would consider him as an accessory before the fact. He himself is as partisan to a rape because I'm sure he knew as to what was afoot, living in that kind of a city, living in that kind of an atmosphere, living in that kind of a scenario where the people approached him first and created this entire scenario for a future rape to be committed. So the police officer in question should not be only dismissed from duty. That is a very, very lighter sentence. I'll go after these rapists later on. I'll go after the people, the administration first, because those are the ones who are supposed to protect us from the animals that perpetrated this act. So the police is nothing but complicit here. And, I would like to go a step ahead, as we discuss, what scenarios present before us in terms of punishment for these people. And I'll elaborate on that situation later on. But barbaric acts demand barbaric punishments. And let us forget for a moment that it's a democracy. I think we need to involve and include castration in 376 of the IPC, in addition to the 20 years that we have, and not chemical castration, surgical castration, surgically castrate the person, the rapist, whether he's a child rapist or a woman rapist, surgically castrate him, put him there behind the bars for 20 years and then hang him. Let him await his death for those 20 years. Then I think this will only mete out appropriate justice, not only the appropriate justice to the people who've been victimized, but send a very, very strong message. This happens. Castration is allowed in countries like Saudi Arabia, Korea, China,
But,
some parts of the United States.
I want some of this conversation to happen in Hindi because the victim's father is with us and he'd be more comfortable understanding this in Hindi. Vikram Singh, do you agree with what Swapnil Kothari says? क्या आपका यही मानना है?
100% Faye. I would rather say that what the honorable advocate has said, जो वकील साहब ने अभी फरमाया है, मैं उससे 100% सहमत हूँ. और अगर पीड़िता के पिताजी अगर सुन रहे हो मेरी बात, हम सब की संवेदनाएं आपके साथ है. और ये पूरा पैनल जिसमें अधिकांश महिलाएं हैं बहुत ज़्यादा उद्वेलित है इस घटना को लेकर के. और ये चिंतन चल रहा है कि कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा आतताइयों को और जो दोषी पुलिसकर्मी हैं उनके विरुद्ध क्या किया जाए. हमारे लर्नड पैनलिस्ट जो कि एक वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता है मुंबई के, उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि न सिर्फ उनके विरुद्ध पूरी कार्रवाई की जाए, सेवा मुक्त किया जाए, बल्कि उनके विरुद्ध 120 भी उनको भी सह अभियुक्त को एक्यूज्ड बनाया जाए. उनके ऊपर भी वही चार्ज लगाया जाए जो कि गैंग रेपिस्ट के ऊपर चार्ज लगाया जा रहा है. वही आरोप पुलिसकर्मियों के ऊपर भी लगाए जाएं, क्योंकि उनकी संलिप्तता प्रमाणित होती है उनके प्रमाद से और लापरवाही से. और यही आवश्यक होगा कि एक तरफ गैंग रेपिस्ट है, दूसरी तरफ दोषी पुलिसकर्मी है, दोनों को दोषी बनाया जाए. क्या आप इस बात से, फे डिसूजा साहिबा की बात से सहमत हैं?
और जो पीड़ित के पिताजी है हमारे साथ, मुझे आपसे ये पूछना है कि आपको लगता है कि हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट और कुछ कर सकते हैं औरतों के लिए? उन्होंने कुछ किया है औरतों को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए हरियाणा में? पुलिस वाले कुछ कर रहे हैं औरतों को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए हरियाणा में? जो विक्टिम के पिताजी जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, मैं आपसे फिर पूछती हूँ कि हमारे गवर्नमेंट का कहना है कि बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ. क्या आपका मानना है कि ये लोग बेटी बचा रहे हैं अभी हमारे देश में?
हेलो मैम, मेरे से सवाल पूछ रहे हैं?
हाँ, आप ही से पूछ रहे हैं. आप बोलिए, आपकी आवाज़ आ रही है, हमारे तक आवाज़ पहुंच रही है, आप बोलिए. हाँ जी, फिर से दोबारा से रिपीट करना मैम. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि हमारे देश में बोला जाता है बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ. क्या आपको लगता है कि हमारी गवर्नमेंट बेटियां बचा रहे हैं?
नहीं बचा रही जी। ऐसे अत्याचार होते रहेंगे तो कहाँ से बेटियां पैदा होंगी, कहाँ से बचेंगी मैम।
आप अपनी बेटी के बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए, वो कैसी थी, कैसी लड़की थी, उनको क्या क्या करना था, कैसे सपने थे उनके? 20 साल की थी, पूरी ज़िंदगी थी उनकी आगे। आप बताइए उनके बारे में कुछ बताइए हमें।
हाँ जी, अब 20 साल, हाँ जी 20 साल की बेटी थी जी मेरी वो। और जी मैं दिहाड़ी मजदूरी करता हूँ, एक फेरी का काम करता हूँ। मेरी बेटी 10 पढ़ी हुई थी, तो हमारे गरीब घर से थी वो। तो ये समझ रही थी कि भी पापा की थोड़ी है हाथ बंटवा दूँ कि मैं घर पे अकेली बैठी रहती हूँ, तो थोड़ा है कंपनी में जॉब करने लग जाती हूँ और मैं पापा की थोड़ी मदद कर देती हूँ कि जब तक मेरी शादी नहीं होती तब तक मैं उसके साथ भाई मिलकर उसका हाथ बंटवा देती हूँ, तो कुछ हमारा आगे भविष्य अच्छा आ जाए। तो मेरी लड़की जी बहुत ही अच्छी थी और उनको मैं बहुत ही चाहता था। उनके सपने ये थे कि भी चलो मैंने जहाँ तक मेरे को पढ़ाया गया वहाँ तक मेरे को अच्छा है, क्योंकि मेरी मजबूरी थी जी कि मेरे पास इतना नहीं था कि मैं उसको आगे और पढ़ा सकूँ था। बस यही था कि जी थोड़ा हमारे साथ मिलकर हमारा हाथ बंटवा रही थी वो, मेरी तरफ ख्याल करती थी कि पापा के लिए दुखी ना हो जाए, तो थोड़ा कुछ सारा लगाऊंगी तो घर की परवरिश अच्छी हो जाएगी।
हमें ये बताइए, जब आप पहली बार पुलिस स्टेशन थाने गए थे तो कैसे दिक्कतें हुई आपको, क्या एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था आपके पुलिस थाने में?
जी ये हमारी लड़की 9 तारीख को घर से गई थी ड्यूटी पे जी। कंपनी में 9 तारीख को गई थी, तो वहाँ पे 9 तारीख को 5:30 बजे छुट्टी हो जाती है, 8 बजे सुबह जाती थी जी। तो 7:30 बजे का टाइम होता था, 8 बजे वहाँ कंपनी में पहुँचती थी और 5:30 बजे वहाँ से छुट्टी होती, 6 बजे घर आ जाती थी जी। तो शाम को जिस टाइम जब वो घर से ड्यूटी का टाइम ख़त्म होता है तो जी 7 बज गए तो 8 बज गए, तो घर पे मैं तो बाहर गया हुआ था जी। घर पे उसकी मम्मी थी और वो थी जी। तो उसने सोचा कि भी अभी तक लड़की आई नहीं, तो कंपनी तक मेरी मिसेज वहाँ कंपनी तक गई, तो वहाँ पे पता किया कि भी कंपनी की छुट्टी होगी या नहीं होगी। तो कंपनी वाले ने बोला भी छुट्टी होगी। उन्हें ये नहीं बताया कि आपकी लड़की या कंपनी में सुबह से आई या नहीं आई। लेकिन उन्होंने सोचा भी चलो भी कंपनी की छुट्टी होगी, कहीं किसी सहेली के पास रुक गई होगी या मार्केट गई होगी। तो उसने 9 बज के 10 बज गए, यानी कि पूरी रात उसने इंतज़ार की, तो लड़की नहीं आई। जैसे भी अगले दिन पुलिस वाले जो उनकी हमारी रिपोर्ट दे रखी थी, उन्हीं के घर को ने जो लड़का था कि हमारा लड़का गायब कर दिया इनके लड़कों ने। तो हमारे को जब पता चला कि हमारा इनका लड़का गायब नहीं है, तो हमारी लड़की ही गायब हो रही है, कि हमारे पर उन्हीं पर डाउट था कि भी हो सका तो वही लड़का ने ये हमारी लड़की को गायब किया। तब उनकी रिपोर्ट फाड़ के जो हमारी रिपोर्ट दर्ज करी दी, तब से हमने कार्रवाई की पुलिस वालों ने। उनके शक के हम जिस पे शक था हमने उसका नाम लिखवा, तो अगले दिन उनको पकड़ लिया जी। पकड़ने के बाद हमारे को 12 तारीख को जैसे अखबार के ही थ्रू पता लगा कि वो उसका मर्डर हो गया रोहतक में। जैसे पड़ोस में अखबार पढ़ते हैं जी, मिसेज को पढ़ना नहीं आता, किसी और ने बताया कि आपकी बेटी रोहतक मेडिकल में डेड बॉडी पड़ी है और उसका मर्डर हो गया है। तो हम 12 तारीख को वहाँ पे जैसे गए तो हमने शनाख्त की कि है वो लड़की, जिसके उसके सिर पे तो कुछ था ही नहीं जी। सिर से पत्थरों से ईंटों से उसको बिल्कुल ऐसे चकनाचूर बना, जैसे बेलन पे रोटी को बेलन पे रगड़ देते हैं, ऐसे उसका सिर कुचला हुआ था जी। उसके बाल भी पाड़ के एक तरफ रख रखे थे और उसके मुंह में शरीर या तारे डाल रखी थी और नशीला पदार्थ पिला के उसको बेहोश करके उठा के ले गए थे जी। तो ऐसी बेरहमी से उसकी मौत हो रही थी कि देखने वाले की रूह कांप जा जी, कि बंदा वहीं पर चक्कर खा के पड़ जाए अगर उसकी डेड बॉडी को देख ले। उसके डेड बॉडी पर इतने कीड़े लग थे कि कीड़ों के ऊपर इतना था कि वो डेड बॉडी नज़र नहीं आ रही थी, इतना कीड़ा उसके ऊपर लगा हुआ था। कुत्तों ने नोच रखी थी उसकी, कुत्ते का आधे जंगल में पड़ी थी, कुत्तों ने उसके सिर सार को सबको गाय को खा लिया जी। बिल्कुल सिर तो था ही नहीं जी, खाली कपड़ों से पहचान की थी उसकी जी में।
I want to bring in I want to bring in Raman Malik. Raman Malik जी,
डेड बॉडी हमारे। हाँ
आप मुझे बताइए कि हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट इसकी क्या
हाँ
जवाब
जी।
देगी? रमन मलिक जी, आप जवाब दे दीजिए प्लीज। गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से आप जवाब दे दीजिए प्लीज।
First of all, this is a saddening event.
रमन मलिक आप हिंदी
And
में
this
बोलिए,
kind of
आप
an
हिंदी में
event
बोलिए तो विक्टिम
is shattering for
के
any
पिताजी
father.
को समझ में आएगा। आप हिंदी में बोलिए प्लीज।
ठीक है। सबसे पहला कि इस प्रकार का कोई भी हादसा किसी भी व्यक्ति के लिए, और खासकर जो एक पिता खुद हो, एक बेटी का पिता खुद हो, उसके लिए आत्मा को झंझोड़ देने वाला, पीड़ित करने वाला एक ऐसा हादसा है जो शायद बहुत दिन तक सोने ना दे। लेकिन जितनी भी बात आप कर रहे हैं, ये इंसानी करतूत नहीं दिखती, ये उसकी करतूत दिखती है जो अंदर से जानवर बन चुका, और ऐसे लोगों को समाज में रहने का हक नहीं। हरियाणा सरकार, जहाँ तक हरियाणा सरकार की बात है, केसेस आर देयर, सामने आ रहे हैं, चीज़ें हम आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं, इनकी कंप्लेंट को भी देखा है, और जो लोग आइडेंटिफाइड हुए हैं उनको गिरफ्त भी करा है। मैक्सिमम पनिशमेंट जो हो सकती है वो डिमांड करी जाएगी। किसी तरीके की लैक्सिटी नहीं होगी। डे टू डे हियरिंग करवाने की फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में
रमन मलिक,
बात है।
रमन मलिक,
कॉम्पनसेशन की भी
Why
बात
has Haryana become the rape capital of the country, Raman Malik?
है। जी,
Why has Haryana become the rape capital of the country? Do you want me to call out to you the things that are happening in Haryana on a daily basis?
it is not so.
Okay,
No.
I'll allow my panel to be the judge of this, and I'm
No,
opening
it
this
is
up
not
with
so,
due
Priya.
apology to the victim's father. I'm opening this up to the rest of the panel right now. Let me call out to you what happens in Haryana. On the 12th of February, 8 men accused of a Rohtak gang rape. This is a different case. Admit to sexually assaulting a victim and then hitting her with bricks. This is a different case. On the 13th of July last year, in Rohtak, a girl was allegedly abducted from outside her college, gang raped by 5 people, the same 5 people who had gang raped her in 2013. In this case, the accused repeated their crime in order to teach her a lesson for filing a complaint. On the 2nd of May, the Haryana police allegedly asked a 14-year-old
and
rape
Faye, for your
victim to
information,
strip in the
this
name of
case
an
was also
investigation
found
so
to
they
be
could examine her.
false.
On the 1st
Me
of May, a
and Vikram Singh
19-year-old girl was
were
gang
there
raped by
on a
2 men in a
debate with
moving
Arnab
train.
on
This
the
goes on
same
and on. The
case.
railway
And
police
this
did
case
not
has
help her.
been-
Raman Malik,
is a
why has
classic
Haryana
case.
become the rape capital of this country? Why? What is your government doing? Yogita Bayana works in Haryana on a daily
Haryana
basis.
is
Yogita
never-
Bayana
has never been a rape
hasn't
capital
Haryana
and
become the
would
rape
never be
capital of
led-
this country, Yogita
No.
Bayana? Raman Malik says no. Yogita Bayana.
No, Haryana has never been a rape capital, and it
It
would
is
never
now.
be let.
It is now, Raman Malik. It is today, in the presence of the gentleman who joins us
It
as an
is
aggrieved
not.
father. It is the rape
It is
capital of this
not.
country. Yogita Bayana, please take over. Yogita Bayana, please tell us the instances that you go
No,
through
it is
every
not.
day when you work
And
in
I strongly
Haryana.
detest you terming it so. Do you have the facts which say it is the rape capital of the
I have all the facts. What
of the
facts do you
country?
have? Yogita Bayana?
Please
Yogita
do
Bayana,
not
go ahead.
put adjectives which are not proven.
Sir,
Yogita Bayana.
sir, there is a problem with the entire social fabric of Haryana. You are talking about your CM only made such statements that women, if they wear short clothes, they will attract men. I mean, you are talking about only Sonipat. There are cases all over. There was another case in Rohtak few months back, where the mentally challenged girl was raped, brutally raped, as bad as this. And there's another case near the border, I mean, within the Haryana. I mean, there are ample of cases. We don't have to prove. We want action. This is a high time, and you guys come out and say all these kind of statements. Rather, you should be working hard. I want to say, Faye, right now here, one step ahead. Rather, only not putting these culprits behind the bar and giving them capital punishment. These administrators also should be punished equally. Then only they'll realize what is the value of a life. She was inspiring some budding with a lot of dreams, with such a beautiful girl. She wanted to
sitting over
have,
here
she wanted to do so many things. She wanted to build a house with her father. I mean, You guys
You
cannot
also
assure me
deserve
of anything.
equal
You
punishment.
cannot assure us of anything. You cannot. You want the numbers? I'll
let's
give you the
understand
numbers.
something
You want the
very
numbers?
clearly.
I'll give you the
Let's
numbers.
understand
The total
something
crimes
very-
against women in the state of Haryana in 2015, according to
Please
the
also
National
compare
Crime
it to
Records
other
Bureau,
states.
was 9,446, 1,070
You are
rapes,
as bad as
204 gang rapes. Haryana is number 4th in the number of gang rapes in this country. There were 204 gang rapes in the state, which comes down to 1.6 gang rapes per lakh women. In 2014, Haryana was on the top of the list with 1.9 gang rapes per 1 lakh women. Haryana comes in at number 4th in the country with 204 gang rapes. I could carry on reading this information, but let me also
they just
point
need
out what
numbers.
Yogita said,
They
and
need numbers.
my team is
They
going to
just
put it
need
up. This
numbers.
is what the Chief
Whatever
Minister of Haryana
is
thinks
today,
about independence
I
of
can
women.
assure
One
you of
second,
one
you asked
thing.
for details. I'm
Haryana-
giving you details.
In
You
Haryana,
asked
you
for
don't
details.
need to
I'm giving
go
you
to a
details.
police station to file a complaint. You can file it of any district anywhere in Haryana. Or
This is the
even if
Chief
you're not
Minister
in
Manohar
Haryana,
Lal Khattar
all
on
that you need to
Haryana.
do
If a girl is
you
dressed
can file
indecently,
in
a
this
boy
case?
and it will
decently, a
be
boy will not
registered.
look at her in the wrong way. What was
So-
this victim wearing? According to the FIR, one second,
and
Raman
no,
Malik.
no, please,
One
let's-
second, Raman
let's,
Malik.
if you want
According
to
to the
discuss,
FIR,
let's
she was
discuss.
wearing a salwar kameez and plastic sandals. Now, according to Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar, was she dressed
Mr. Raman
decently?
Malik.
Why did they pick her up? Why did they rape her? According to Manohar Lal Khattar, if she's dressed decently, boys will not look at her. गाजर कलर की सलवार कमीज पहनी थी और प्लास्टिक की सैंडल पहनी थी.
Well,
If a girl is dressed decently, boys will not
you
look
cannot,
at her.
You cannot take
What
a
are you talking
statement which
about?
was said
What
in a particular...
justification can you offer
No,
me?
no. Every time you're taking the name of the Honorable Chief Minister... No, every time you're taking the name of
He is
Honorable
not
Chief
honourable
Minister
to
as
us.
per he's
If he can't
instigating
protect the
people
women,
to
I'm
rape.
sorry. I am sorry.
So first of all, clear
I
your
am
doubt.
sorry.
He
If he
had
can't
given-
protect us, he is
had
not
given a
honourable.
very
He is
categorical
not
statement on
honourable.
an issue which has been
No, he
twisted and
needs
turned
to
around by
protect
people
us.
from benefit.
No. Please
He is
stop,
honourable.
stop buttering your and stop licking their feet.
He is honourable,
He is
so
supposed
please.
to take care of us. Then he is honourable. No, he is not honourable.
I am one
He
person
needs to
who does
protect
not
us.
care who
Sunita
is
He needs to
sitting on a
protect
seat
us.
of chairman, CM or PM.
Sunita Gurara.
We
You
want
believe the Chief
answers.
Minister
We
has
want
done
no
enough.
more Nirbhayas.
Okay,
We
let's
want
start
no more
talking.
Nirbhayas.
80% of rapes happen with people who are known to
Talking
you.
things are gone.
Mr.
Talking
Khattar,
times
just
are
to
gone.
studies
We need
Rosetta
action.
Gurara.
Talking times are gone.
Mr.
Sunita Gurara, go
Raman
ahead.
Lamba.
Yeah. See, Mr. Raman Malik, you should
Not
realize
Raman Lamba. Who's
Haryana
Raman
is
Lamba?
famous for sports, and now it is so shameful that such incidents are happening there. These people, the criminals, those who are doing such acts,
That is
they are
what the
all
problem is.
worse than animal. So just
You are
finish
talking
them.
about
Finish
a
them.
particular
you
thing.
give
I
deterrent
sitting over
punishment,
here
then
with-
the lesson will.
Faye, you know,
Yes,
you have conducted so many talks with me, and you have always found me to be very upright and
This is not
honest.
about
and
you,
upfront.
Raman Malik. This is
Sitting
about the
here,
Chief
I
Minister
can
of
give
Haryana,
you
whose resignation we now demand.
confirmation
Yeah, we are
that
talking about
anybody,
the
Chief Minister of
anybody
Haryana
Why
from
these
the police
cases are happening
department,
every
अगर
nook
I'm
and
putting
corner?
this up to the rest
Because there
of
is
my
no
panel.
deterrent punishment. There is no
Aishwarya
fear of
Bhati,
law.
नहीं
There is
Aishwarya
no
Bhati, this
police
was no
fear.
lip service. This is
तो
just
मैं
not good enough. Aishwarya Bhati, no more lip service. No more lip service.
I can do that.
अरे
sitting here, I am
कब से
telling
बोलते
you.
रहेंगे पिछले साल से जो भी
No lip
अभी
service.
फे ने
I am
बोले
not-
इतने
I am
सारे
not somebody
केसेस आपने
who's
किसको
into
सस्पेंड करा
TRPs.
दिया
I am somebody who works on the ground.
कोई
Aishwarya,
punishment दिया
Aishwarya Bhati, Aishwarya Bhati. This is lip service. For as long as there are women dying on a daily basis, being treated like subhuman animals, this is lip service from our government. Aishwarya Bhati.
Sent and it was not registered. I will get those people suspended.
Raman Malik,
And I can talk to
Raman
the
Malik, the
RPs right now
fact
and
that this
tell him
happened in
that
your
अगर
state
आपके
at
पास
all,
कोई भी evidence
the
है,
fact
आप
that this
बताइए
happened in
मेरे
your
को. I
state
will
at
do it
all,
right now.
the fact that this happened in your state at all, the fact that I read
I will
out a
do it
long
right
list
now,
of
sitting
heinous
here.
crimes that takes place in Haryana on a daily basis, what are you doing? What are you
Mr.
doing?
Raman Malik.
You should have
Where
prevented
does the
it.
crime not happen?
Prevented
Does the
it.
state promote crime?
Prevent it.
How would
For
you
heaven's
prevent?
sake, it's your job.
How do you
don't
prevent
give
a rape?
them
Are you asking me? Am I
How
the
do you
government of
prevent
Haryana?
it?
Did I run for
When you
election
don't
and
give
promise
them-
We'll
Beti
give you
Bachao,
100
Beti Padhao?
ideas.
Why can you?
No.
How can you ask
You give me a mechanism. The ex-DGP is sitting
give you
here.
100
Ask him
mechanisms.
what
What
is
are
the
you talking
mechanism.
about?
Can I protect
See, those
each and
rapists,
every
those
woman?
who are doing second
If you
everywhere?
cannot,
Do
you
you-
and your
Yes,
entire
yes,
government
Mr.
needs to
Raman
go.
Malik,
Do you put
I want to point
shame
out
on
to our
them?
viewers right now,
Mr.
and I'm
Raman
taking this to
Malik,
Aishwarya
ladies,
Bhati.
may I have
Aishwarya
a word
Bhati,
with
one
Mr.
second,
Raman Malik?
everybody. Raman Malik
Forget
says,
it.
can we
This is
protect
not
every
logic.
single woman
Wait,
in
this is not
Haryana? It
logic
is
to
your
talk.
job, and if you
This is
cannot,
not
you
logic
must
to
go.
talk. I am
Aishwarya
telling
Bhati.
you, I am ready
Yeah.
to discuss debate. And
Faye,
If may
what I
have a
want to
word with
say,
Mr. Raman Malik, please.
I will give you it. I will give you the roadmap as to how you can prevent it. You know, this case exposes yet again how insensitive our society, our authorities have become on the issues of women's safety, where we have been shouting on the top of our voice and claiming that there has to be zero tolerance on women's safety issues. Far from that, we hear this kind of insensitive and completely callous and negligent attitude. How you prevent it is, let me tell you how you prevent it. You ensure that your police force is sensitized enough. They understand that women's safety has to be treated with zero tolerance. That is how it has to be done. We can't be, siding with the accused, trying to take their complaints and becoming accomplices. These are cops who are part of the state machinery, who are authorities there. Instead of lodging a police report and getting into a swift investigation, our cops choose to sit on it. And this is not just one case. I have seen more often than not, cops are siding with the accused persons to botch up the investigation. And if investigation is botched up once, then it cannot be corrected. It cannot be cured at the stage of the trial. It cannot be cured at the stage of appeal at all. And they take money from the accused. So 166A action should be taken. This is what we want, sir. This is how you prevent. You take strict action against the cops who have sided with the accused persons. Take action against under 166A. You book them as somebody who's abetted and harbored the accused persons, somebody who's part of the criminal conspiracy. So that is how you do, and ensure that there are fast track courts. We keep on saying that, crimes against women are also, they reflect the psyche of the society. The mindset has to change. But you know how the mindset will change? The mindset will change when these accused persons who display such depraved mentality, when they know that they will not go scot-free, when they know that they will be meted out with justice, when they know that there is no running away anymore and they cannot escape anymore. So make an example of this case, ensure free and fair investigation and swift action. Make sure that the trial goes to a fast-track court and the prosecution does a watertight job of this. And this is for this case. And how you prevent it is, please spruce up, completely reform your, the machinery of the investigative body, the law and order. Make sure the cops are completely, they understand that there has to be zero tolerance on women's issues. It can't be any other way.
And I must point out here, I'll go over
Your
to Swapnil.
CM
The
should
case has been
resign.
filed now
Your
against
CM
6
should
more
resign
people.
immediately.
Remember, these people were grilled by the police today. The police had earlier claimed that they were only 2 perpetrators and they'd already arrested those perpetrators. Our reporter is currently at Rohtak. She has spoken with the SHO. She has asked for the duty officer's name, the one who was on duty when the parents first approached the police. He has turned around and said it doesn't matter what that duty officer's name is. Swapnil.
Yes, the remaining 6 people who've been booked right now, that has happened because of the media attention. This would not have happened but for that. Now, coming to you, Mr. Raman Malik, I have 1 or 2, observations that I need to make with you. I've seen you in debates earlier, and I was quite impressed with the gravity that was there in your voice at the beginning of the debate, where you sensitized and you empathized with what had happened to the victim's father and what they must have been going through. But then the direct U-turn which was taken into defending the government and defending the chief minister, this is all appreciated in one way that one is doing one's job. But I think one has to go beyond that and look beyond one's nose and try to look at the fact that there is a problem in Haryana. It may not be the rape capital, but it is probably... May I finish, please? Mr. Rohtak, I've heard you, so may I finish? Then you can counter me, you can debate with me. I don't have a problem with that. You can say that what I was talking was absolute tripe. But let me finish. So, what I'm saying is that, this sort of, a torrid defense of one's seniors is nice in a way, but I don't think it's helping. What you're talking here of is remedial measures. That we'll get the police officer suspended, we'll book these people, we'll try to see that justice is meted out fast. But I'm talking of prevention. that's what's going to happen to the father. The daughter is not going to come back. The brutality in which was perpetrated on her is not going to be, those scars are going to remain till probably his last
forever.
breath.
In fact, Swapnil, let me point out something. We understand that the Chief Minister, Mr. Khattar, was 8 kilometers from the family in Sonipat. He had made a plan to visit the family, which he has now abruptly cancelled. He has decided not to visit the family because apparently there are more important things happening in the state of Haryana than the one we're discussing right now. I want to go across to the father of the victim again. जो बच्ची के पिताजी है जो हमारे साथ रोहतक से जुड़े हुए, उनको कुछ कहना है. आप बोलिए सर, आपकी आवाज़ हमारी तक पहुंच रही है.
ठीक है. सुनिए.
हेलो.
हाँ, बोलिए.
उनको बोलो पूछने के लिए. आप गवर्नमेंट से सवाल पूछिए, आप क्या पूछना चाहते हैं.
हेलो.
हाँ, 6 और लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया गया और हमारी जानकारी ये है कि कट्टर साहब जो आपसे मिलने आ रहे थे, उन्होंने अपना प्लान कैंसिल कर दिया है, प्रोग्राम कैंसिल कर दिया चीफ मिनिस्टर ने.
हाँ जी, यहाँ से 8 किलोमीटर पड़ता है जी बालगढ़. तो उन्हें आप टाइम दे रखा था, 7 बजे का टाइम दिया था और अपना प्रोग्राम करके और वापस ही चले गए क्योंकि सारी सरकार यहाँ पे आ गई लेकिन एक खट्टर साहब यहाँ पे नहीं पहुँचे. जबकि हमारे नज़दीक आए हुए भी नहीं पास में आ सके तो बेटी कहाँ से बचेंगी जी. और सरकार बोलती है बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ, जब हमारे पास बिल्कुल पास में आते हुए थे.
रमन मलिक,
कर्सी से ही आ जाते.
tell us why we should have any faith at all in this government, Raman Malik.
I can very well if
You failed repeatedly.
First I would like to answer him and then I'll answer you also.
Go ahead, he's listening, he can hear you.
अगर मुख्यमंत्री जी के ऊपर शक शुबा है तो मैं उसका कोई इलाज नहीं कर सकता. मैं तो इतना मानता हूं कि जिस प्रकार का एक्शन के लिए मुख्यमंत्री जी ने स्वयं इस विषय पे कहा है और सारी फीडबैक मैंने ली है, मेरे को ये सामने पता है कि इस समय जो भी महकमा पूरा है वो इस विषय के ऊपर लगा हुआ है. और किसी को भी मैं आपको यहाँ बैठे हुए बोल सकता हूँ कि अगर आप कोई भी ऐसा दस्तावेज मेरे को दे सकें जिससे ये सिद्ध हो जाए कि आपका कंप्लेंट नहीं लिखी गई 2 दिन तक, 9, 10, 11 तारीख में आपकी कंप्लेंट नहीं लिखी गई है.
Look at the audacity he is asking him to prove. Shame on you, mister. Shame on you. You need to be hanged first. Shame on you. You're asking him the proofs. Shame on you. He's lost his daughter. What are you talking?
This is Yogita.
Senseless guy.
Women on our
Senseless
panel.
man.
Consider
What are
these
you
voices
talking?
the women of India. Raman Malik.
Who is this?
Who is this? Consider these voices the women of India.
You are
Please
insane.
listen.
Don't ask us.
You know you are
You
insane.
cannot.
You
I
have
am
lost your mental
guaranteeing
balance.
you cannot.
You have lost
in
your
any
mental
place
balance.
You cannot just jump the law.
You are asking.
I am telling you, if I get
Yes,
a proof,
you are asking
to
him to
suspend
prove.
a government officer.
Are you insane?
To take a government officer on task
We
is
will
the most
demand.
difficult thing in this
You
whole
are asking him to
establishment
prove
today.
on the panel.
Since independence.
You are saying, will you do it?
Would you agree to this or not?
Oh man, you have lost it. I think you don't deserve to be the public representative.
I am ready
You
to do
also
it.
really need to be finished.
Anuja Kapoor is a criminal psychologist
Mr.
and a
Raman
lawyer.
Malik,
Anuja,
what are you
this
talking?
is the behavior we're talking about. This is the behavior we're talking about, where the onus of proof is constantly on the victim.
This is
and
the
victim's
behavior-
family. Prove to me that you were raped. Prove to me that you were murdered.
I am
Prove to me
asking
that your
if
skull
you
was
can
crushed.
give-
The
support
onus
me.
is
I am ready
constantly
to
on the
take
victim.
action.
The onus
What else
is
do you want me
constantly
to
on
do?
the women, Anuja.
I can take
This is a
action.
problem.
It's a shame. It's
Can
a
I
shame,
take
Raman
action
Malik.
without proof?
This
Give me
proves
one
that you
example,
are
I'll do
totally
it.
on the side of the accused. You are totally on the side of the accused. And somewhere down the line, you are
Yes.
I'm on the
trying
side
to
of accused.
telling them that whatever
Ma'am,
they
the
did
law does
was
not
right.
permit me, otherwise I
Yes,
will
this
hang
is what
these
it is.
people
And you listen to me.
and
You,
get them
Raman Malik,
to die.
you will listen to me now. This is enough. Enough is enough.
He said, what? You know what he
You
said?
have no sense and you are one
You know what he
person
said? He just
who just
threatened
talking
us.
bullshit. Just
I'll hang
talking
these two
bullshit.
girls.
No, no, thank you.
You should be ashamed of yourself. You have a family, and this is what you do. Get out from your political area and stand up and just remember
Why
anything.
should I be ashamed of myself?
What you're doing?
Why should I be ashamed of myself?
Because you are again
Mr. Raman Malik,
Mr. Raman Malik.
this is the truth. If it
Why I
was
want
not
to
for
listen to
media
you.
pressure,
Mr. Raman Malik.
if channels had not, if we had not picked up this story from Saturday and talked about it for 3 straight days, there would be nobody in Rohtak with the rest of the
Only
family.
asking for
There would be
complaint.
nobody if it wasn't for media pressure. Swapnil.
Mr. Raman Malik, I have got 2 to 3 questions for you.
Even one stupid person sitting on this seat.
Anuja, let me finish. Mr. Raman Malik, I am a senior lawyer. I have been practicing since past 23 years. Let me tell you something as far as the law aspect is concerned. The first point that your chief minister, the statement that he made, and let me finish, please do not interrupt. I will hear you out to whatever you have to say later on. The women's outrage that you are hearing is absolutely justified. Hell hath no fury as a woman scorned. So you are going to have that, you're going to face it. And let me tell you, as far as the legal aspects are concerned, the first statement that the chief minister made is that if women were not to dress appropriately, they would not invite inappropriate attention. Now that is something which is an absolutely rotten statement coming out from a chief minister. In fact, that in somehow it tends to pardon this kind of brutality. That's one. It can be perceived to be so.
Swapnil,
I'm not saying.
Swapnil, there is another statement that is worse. In fact, let me put that up on the screen. There is a statement that Mr. Khattar has made that said, if women want freedom, let them walk around naked. There has to be a limit to the kind of freedom that they want. That is what he said. If you want freedom, why don't you just roam around naked? Freedom has to be limited. What are the messages that this chief minister is sending?
Now,
these short clothes, Western influences, the country's tradition asks girls to dress decently. Mr. Khattar, this victim was wearing a gajar color ka salwar kameez and plastic sandals. What are you talking about?
Right, and Faye, you're absolutely right, and this angst of yours on this channel and of this channel and of the panelists, of the other female panelists, and of course all the male panelists too, is absolutely justified. Now, Mr. Raman Malik, I'll tell you now, this second statement is more barbaric. I think that statement is more barbaric than even the act that has been committed, because this tends to pardon all the possible future acts that will take place. That's one. Two, the point that you made. The point. May I finish? Let me finish. Let me finish, Anuja. Let me finish. The second point that you made is about proof that you talked about. Now, I want to ask you a very simple question. Yes. You seem to be quite a learned person. So let me ask you one very simple question. If this incident would have happened in your family, would you be talking about this in the same manner, with the same sort of stoicism that you're talking about? Yeah. That's two. And the third point that I want you to appreciate the fact is prevention, not remedy. Sensitize your police. Give them more pay. Itne mein ghar nahi chalta hai, iman kya chalega? So, the fact that the person is not registering an FIR when that woman was slapped, that is the first time that this gentleman should have gone up and arrested those people, because he should have anticipated this kind of an act. Because one of the best things that the police can do, and why the people are there in those positions of power or administrative power, is to anticipate. If you anticipate something, then you can stop something. But if you just look away, then you're inviting much, much more problems in the future. And Haryana, if it's fourth in the line, you surely don't want it to keep having a lesser number to that.
But Haryana is fourth in the line in numbers, but the gruesome, heinous crimes, the extent of the crimes that are taking place in Haryana will curdle your blood and put you off your dinner, because Haryana is currently a horrible, horrible place for a woman to live. There are no two ways about it. We shouldn't be apologizing. We shouldn't be beating around the bush. We should be facing the gravity of the situation. Nikita Anand, representing the women of India. Nikita, 5 years ago, the women of India came out into the streets because one of us had been brutalized. Is it time again, Nikita, to remind our government of the power of the Indian woman?
I think it's time to remind everyone, whether you're a man, a woman, a child, definitely the government, and of course the police, because I think let's see this incident in the bigger picture that it actually portrays. One, of course, yes, the law and order has to be followed. There are a multitude of laws, but they're not being enforced. That has always been the problem. That continues to be the problem. That is one. The second aspect is, forget whether Haryana is number 1, number 2, number 4, or number 10 on the list as far as women's safety is concerned. The fact is that I am speaking to you from Gurgaon, which is in Haryana, and I can very safely say that it is very unsafe for women. I do not even think about roaming on the streets at 9 p.m. by myself. I do not. That
Nikita, stay with us. Nikita, stay with us. I have to take a very quick break. But viewers, the phone lines are open. Our entire panel stays with us. We're staying with the story while everybody else is distracted with other things that are happening outside of our country. This, I believe, for half our population, this is the battle we're fighting today. If I cannot walk out into the street and be sure that I can enter my house in one piece, what sort of a country are we living in? Our phone lines are open. This discussion continues. All of our guests are staying with us. Please stay with us as well.